Hello everyone, I'm going to do a review about the new Majorette TGX truck Porsche Experience. A while ago they released the Porsche Experience Center, but that was a little bit too much for me. This truck, not that big, comes with two cars. Not sure if this is an exclusive, I think not, because it doesn't say so. Well, let's take a look at the box first. Here we see a picture of the truck, and I see that it is an officially licensed product. That is what we like. Let's take a look here at the side. We see the Porsche Taycan and what looks to be like a ramp or something. And here for charging, I guess. This must be an electric car or a hybrid. Okay, here we have the back. So I see a lot of accessories. That is pretty cool. There's also a possibility to charge the car on top of the truck, I think. And here you can see you can lower the deck. Yep. By pushing a button over there. Okay, we will find out soon. Here we got some text. Freeze the image if you want to read it. You see that Majorette is active on social media. And here we got the barcode and article number. Now, let's open up the box. It's very easy. You put this down. And you can take this out. And there we go. And here we got the truck. And I like this because I can see you can afterwards, when you take the truck out, afterwards you can put it back. And then you can use the box for storage again. So that is very cool. Okay, let's take everything out. And here we got the pack with accessories. A lot of tires in a red color. And here we got a Majorette catalog. Maybe I will do a review about that one later. And here we got the truck. Let's put the truck here and the two cars. Porsche GT3 RS. And the Taycan. First time I see this Taycan from Majorette. So that's pretty cool. Okay, let's lower the camera a little bit. There we go. And first we're going to take a look at the truck. Let's put some light on. Yeah, why not? I like it that the Taycan is on the side. Opening part here. Okay. 3 wheels here on the back. Good looking rims. And what do we got here? Taycan Turbo S. Can we open that? Yes. So I got a picture of a Porsche and the tires are green. Not sure what it is. Maybe it got something to do with the air, or maybe it got something to do with the electric power. I think it's the electric power. Can we take this off easily? Snog. Yep, you have to pull it out. This truck looks very cool. Oh, I've got a little bit of dirt inside. That's a little bit of a bummer. It's not on the outside, so you Got painted front lights. That was a little bit cooler if it was. Ooh, and this one is also a little bit bent. The light, it was cooler if it was lanced headlights. Plastic side mirrors. Here we got the top. It's made out of metal, so no plastic here except for this part. And the base is plastic too. No rubber tires, plastic tires, but still it looks very cool. Interior, that's okay. Black interior. This is not nice, but it is what it is. Okay, now we're going to take a look at the trailer. Okay, here we got a handle. And can we open this? There we go. And what is this? Oh, okay. That's for the inside. So the car will, when you're driving, or you can do something like this, or you can... Okay, we have this right here, so you can place this here, and then the car can drive in. It will stay on its place, and if you pull the handle, okay, open it again. Woo! Okay, let's see what we got here on the top of the truck. Pull this up, and here you got power, charging power. Here we have to charge, so it has to be something like this. Can we? No, it has to be like this. Okay. Then we can open this right here, yes. There we go. Oh, I have to lower this first. Then we can open this. Yep. It looks pretty cool. Got a stop sign over here. Got Majorette Porsche Mobile 1 and Michelin. Start your experience. We can place this up again. Oh, there we go. So if we pull here, then this will lower, fall to the bottom of the truck. And what is this? Okay, we got an extra opening part here. Not sure for what. Oh, top speed 260. Not sure for what this is. Okay, let's place the car inside. And here on the bottom, you got more charging. So you can put the car right here. Not sure what this is. Let's car back. Let's place it right here. Whoa, there we go. Okay, it would be a lot cooler if the tires were black and this was also black. Okay, red is a cool color. Okay, and here at the other side of the truck, you got the green Porsche and also Porsche Experience and Majorette here on the side. This is almost completely made out of plastic, so no metal here. But overall, I think this is a very cool truck. Okay, let's put the camera a little bit higher. Okay, now let's check out what the accessories are. So we got more red tires. These are a little bit too big when you place them next to the car. And you got 4 of them. Okay, then we got this right here. There we go. Maybe it's for a jump or a start test parcours. And here we got a flag with Porsche on both sides. And I think you have to place this right here. Like this. And the flags go right here. The other one goes here. There we go. And then you can put a car on it. Oop. Oh, there he goes. Let's pick it up. So, not a bad experience center. Or what is it? What's the name? Yeah, Porsche Experience Truck. I think the truck is very cool. This, a little bit too much plastic. Tires could be black. But overall, I think it's a really cool toy. Taycan, I think it's super cool. We got opening doors. Yep. Oh, we got a hole here. We can look through the other side. Hello. That's a little bit weird. Don't have another Taycan from Majorette, so I can compare it. Plastic tires, plastic base. I like the blue color. Porsche logo here. Here, same thing. You can also look to the other side. That's a little bit weird. Here for the charging. And we got the back. We got the green Porsche. This is not a new model. Got the golden rims, the green, nice combination. Okay, I also got the Mini GT Taycan. Get a little bit of discount because the package is dented, but the model is fine, they say. Well, we're going to find out. Let's see if I can open it. So normally it's €12 and I paid $7.99. They're still available at Tom's for this price. Yep, a model looks fine. So here it is. Yeah, that looks good. No opening parts, but whoa. This model looks perfect. My first Taycan. Here we got the back of the Porsche. Metal body. Nice interior. Got a metal base. Mini GT made in China. Rubber tires. Nice profile. Normal screws so you can do some custom if you like. And here we got the one from Majorette. Yep, a little bit bigger. Majorette is a little bit bigger than 164. It's probably 160. But still, for the price you pay, you get a very good casting. Here you also see lanced headlights. And this is the back. See, Mini GT got an extra red line for the braking lights. But yeah, you also pay a lot more. So that's logical. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this truck. And I'll see you later. Have a nice day. Bye.